Hello students, welcome to my channel. Students, today in this session we solve 1 mark and 2 mark questions for your annual examination 2023 and 24. Today is part 2. We already completed part 1. If you are not see the session, then go to the playlist or click on I button. So let's start the session. First question, if x by 12 and 5 by 6 are equivalent fraction, then x equal to dash, then 6 2 ja equivalent means 6 2 ja 12, then 5 2 ja 12, 5 2 ja 10, so correct answer is 10. Okay, or simply you can cross multiply, means x by 12 equal to 5 by 6, then that implies 6x is equal to 5 into 12. Now x equal to 5 into 12 divided by 6. 6 2 ja, then 5 2 ja 10. So correct answer is option number B. Next, the additive inverse of 2 by 3 is dash. Now additive inverse means only put the negative sign, that is minus 2 by 3. Next, reciprocal of minus 2 by 5 whole to the power 3. Reciprocal means simply you can reverse the numerator and denominator, that is 5 by 2 minus whole to the power 3. Now minus 5 cube, that is minus 5 to the power cube minus equal to 125, then 2 to the power cube equal to 8. So answer is minus 125 divided by 8. Next question, which of the following congruent criteria for the triangle does not exist? Now we know that there are the 4 criteria there. First one is SSS, that is side, side and side. Then side, angle and side. Then angle, side and angle. Then right angle, hypotenuse and side. So option number A, B is the correct. C, B also correct. Angle, side angle also correct, but A is not correct. So option number A is the correct answer. Next question, for what value of the t the expression this and this are equal? Okay, write down 2x square minus 5x plus 10 equal to, are equal means equal to 2x square minus tx plus 2t. Put in place of t the value as 5, because here 2x cancel, here in place of t there is 5, so put 5. The answer is D. Option number D is 5. Okay. Next, question number 6. Which of the following is a solution of the equation 3x minus 7 equal to 7 minus 4x? First of all, arrange, that is 3x minus 4x equal to 7, now plus 7. So minus x is equal to 14, so that implies x equal to minus 14. So correct answer is minus 14. Sorry, it plus. Plus means 4 3 is 7x equal to 14. So x equal to 14 by 2, 7 equal to 2. So answer 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is the circumference of a circle where D denote the diameter and R denote the radius? Circumference means 2 pi r, or we can write pi d. Yes or no? Here option number B is the correct answer. Next question, the area of the triangle whose base equal to 3, we know that area of the triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2 base equal to 3 into height equal to 7, that is 21 divided by 2 equal to 10.5 centimeter square, not centimeter. So correct answer is 10.5 centimeter square. Okay. Next question. The observation that occur maximum number times of a data is called dash, that is mode. Then what is mean? Mean means sum of the data divided by number of data. Okay. So median means the middle term. If n is even, then n plus 1 by 2 tooth term plus n by tth term divided by 2. If n equal to odd, then in that case n plus 1 by 2 term. Okay. Next question. Sorry, range means maximum value minus minimum value. Understand? Next question number 10. If triangle LMN congruent to triangle XYZ, then L equal to dash. देखो here the L position is first, so L equal to X. So correct answer is option number A. Now next question number 11, 2 mark. Simplify and express the result as a rational number. Okay. So first write down 2 by 3 whole to the power 6 divide 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 4. Now same the power, base, that is 2 by 3 to the power 6. We can write 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 because we know that p by q whole to the power minus n equal to q by p whole to the power plus n. Yes or no? So now base are equal, so apply the rule, that is 2 by 3 6 divide means minus 4. So 2 by 3 to the power 6 minus 4, that is 2, means 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2 equal to 4 by 9 is the correct answer. Okay. Next 12 number, find the SCF. Okay, SCF of the term 20x cube, 40x square, 80x is equal to, first find the SCF of number, that is 20, 40 and 20, that is 20. Write down or find out 20, 40, 80. 10, 10 2 ja, 10 4 ja, 10 8 ja, now 2, 2 1, 2 2, 2 4 ja, so SCF is 10 2 ja 20. Then in x means the minimum number of the x is 1, so correct is x. So SCF of this number is 20x. Now factorize, that is 20x take common, then here x square plus 2x minus 4. Okay, this is the factorize. Okay, next question number 13, solve for the x. Okay, now write down for x by 5 plus 1 equal to 1 by 15. So x by 5 is equal to 1 by 15 minus 1, because here left side plus 1, when go to the right side then it becomes minus. So take LCM, that is 15, 1 minus 15, that is minus 14 divided by 15, x by 5. So x equal to minus 14 by 15 into 5 by 1 or 5. So 5 3 ja, so minus 14 divided by 3 is the correct answer. Clear? Next question number 14. When 5 is added, okay, 5 is added to 3 times a number, that is x, we obtain equal to 44. Find the number. Okay, so write down 3x equal to 44 minus 5 equal to 39. So x equal to 39 divided by 3. So x equal to 13. Clear? Next question number 15. One side of a parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Now parallelogram means opposites. Sides are equal and parallel. Here this is a parallelogram. one side is 14 and the distance from the opposite side is equal to 16.5, means height. So base equal to 14 centimeter and height is equal to 16.5 centimeter. Now find the area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now put the value, that is 14 into 16.5. Now multiply 16.5 into 14, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 26, 4 1 ja 4, 2 6, 165. Now 0 are 11, 12, 13, 3, calculate 1, 2, means put the decimal after one number. So 231, that is 231 centimeter square. Clear? Next, question number 16. Find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 66 centimeter. So here given that circumference equal to 66 centimeter. We know that circumference means 2 pi r is equal to 66 centimeter, or we can put pi d equal to 66 centimeter. Now put the value, that is 22 divided by 7 into d equal to 66. Now d equal to 66 into 7 divided by 22. 22 3 ja, so d equal to 21. Okay. Also we find 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 66. Now r equal to 66 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. Then 22 3 ja. Now 7 3 ja 21 by 2 centimeter. Now d equal to 2 into r, that is 2 into 21 by 2, that is 20. 2 to cancel, 21 centimeter. Clear? Question number 17. Find the median of the following data. Okay, data it is missing achi. Next, 17 number. Median means first arrange in ascending or descending order. First write down, arrange in ascending order. First write down 11, next 25, next one is 39, next 42, 43, then 43, sorry, here 37s are there, 37, 39, 42, 43, 43, then 45, 46, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay. Here n equal to 9, so median equal to n plus 1 by 2 at term, that is 10 by 2 equal to fifth term, okay. Fifth term, that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So median equal to 42. Clear? Next, question number 18. Here triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Fill in the blanks. Okay. AB equal to first theta means first theta, that is DE. Next angle C means angle F. Then EF. Then BC. Angle D means angle A. Okay. Next question. Name the appropriate solid obtained from the following nets. This is the net of a square pyramid. This is a cube. Okay. Then tetrahedron means tetrahedron. 4 triangles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And a cone. Cone means one semicircle. Okay. Then cylinder means one rectangle and 2 circle. Write the 2 English alphabet having 2 line of symmetry, that is H and I. H means 1 and 2. I means here is one line of symmetry, here another line of symmetry. Okay, the 2 letters are H and I. Clear? Completed. Thank you.